Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record videos in TikTok without filter. So in TikTok, if you are start recording a video, by default, you'll be recording with a filter or effects on. And here I'm going to show you how you can remove that filter. First, let's click on the plus icon to start recording, for example. And you can see here by default the effects is used on the recording mode. So if you want to remove, you can just click on this effects button and click on this uh forbidden or cross icon to remove the filter, and just like that the filter has been removed. Or you can also do this, for example, here so by default I'm using this effect. So what you need to do is just click on the camera here. You'll see this is the effect or filter. Click on this option, and now you can see this is the settings on the filter. So what you need to do is just click on these settings and move or reduce all of the settings to 0 to remove the filter, just like this. Repeats all of the steps until all of the settings is back to 0. So that's pretty easy, but I'm suggesting you just click on this button to remove the effects. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.